What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a new part on my Challenger. It's the True Fiber carbon fiber bezel. Let's take a look here. That's what it looks like. So it's going to go in the center console area. Really good quality from what I've seen from them in the past. It's going to be replacing this little nasty plastic trim that I got stock from the car. So yeah, we'll get started. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is take off the shifter, basically this whole shifter, because it's going to be in the way. So we got to take this off and then we can start pulling this up, because it just has like tabs. So take this off first. So what you want to do is, there's a little lip that this shifter is on, so you got to pull it down to expose the nut. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but if you pull it all the way down, got this little nut here, and then there's a flat piece next to it. So you just get two wrenches, and then you hold them together and just, you know, flip it. This guy goes the opposite way, and then you just hold the shifter in place, and then it should unscrew loose. So get doing that right now. Alright, so what we have here is a 5/8 and then an adjustable wrench. There we go. Okay, worked. Alright, so now that we have it loose here, just back up the nut, unscrew the shifter. So what you want to do is just slowly take it off from the cup holder, or you can do it from the side right here. But I think the cup holder is probably the best. You get a start, yep. So just clips like that. Alright. This one's going to come out too, I think, in the middle. Should have to take this nut off, actually. Okay, and once you have it off, it's just, well, at least for a manual transmission, it's just a plug back here. Unplug it, and it's out. So here's the one we're going to take off here. It's got the boot in there still, so we're just going to push out all these pins here on the bottom. Just press them, and it pops right out. So here's the shifter bezel with the boot. And then we have, this is the original. Unscrewed these 4 bolts right here and put them on our new carbon fiber one. Fairly simple process. Should be 4 screws on the back of this module. Alright, so here's bezel with nothing on it. Looks bare. Just throw this back. Just reinsert all the screws into the spots that they're supposed to go. Fairly simple procedure. Just recommend screwing them all kind of in sync with each other, because if we put one in too much, then it's gonna probably tear the other inserts from their spot. Alright, so yeah, you don't want to, I guess, snug them too tight, because then the buttons might get stuck. So just kind of back out a little bit if you think that they're too snug and the buttons don't want to come back out. Got the shifter boot. Install that back exactly how it is. So they're all fitting in pretty good. They're all, every one of these is pretty much all in place, as you can tell. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs. And on the other side, that's how it's going to look. Pretty OEM, if you ask me. It doesn't look bad. The fitment looks good. There's no edges that are showing or holes, so that's good. Just match it up. I guess I was already missing one there, but you just take the other ones off with the flathead and the rest by hand, and then we can just reinstall them onto our new spot. So you should have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. I'm not sure where my 8th one went. It might have not even had one when I installed it on the original one, but it should have 8 of those orange clips. Now we can plug it back in here, and once you hear it click, it's connected because it works. Get the shifter boot first, and then just click it all back in place. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. This thing's solid. Even on that one spot. Buttons still work. Yep, everything works. So, put the shifter back on. This part, just reinstall it. Goes all the way to the bottom. And then screw on the shifter. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see another video of me installing any carbon fiber parts on the interior of the car, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I got some more parts coming in. There's the carbon fiber right there on the inside. Looks way better than the stock, in my opinion. I still have the same stock trim on the dash part of it, so I'm also going to get the trim for that piece and install that one, another true fiber carbon fiber part, so it matches the bezel here. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hit that like button, and peace out.